2018. Happy New Year's, everybody. This is amazing. This is New Year's Day. It's fantastic. I want to say thank you for everybody out there on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all this stuff, everybody, all the social media people follow me on. I would not be here if it wasn't for you. It's humbling and exciting, and I want to say thank you so much. As a matter of fact, the way I'm going to thank you is I'm going to make 2018 the year that I'm going to make more content, more videos, more patterns in my store. I also want to announce that people who watch me on Twitch live streams on Mondays and Tuesdays, I'll be doing Mondays and Tuesdays only. I'll be no longer streaming on Thursday because I need that time to make more patterns and more content and more YouTube videos for you. I just want to take this time out again, everybody, to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and I would not be here without you. So Happy New Year's 2018. I can't wait to see what all you guys make this year as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.